Welcome to our YouTube video, where we'll guide you through the process of turning your TikTok account to private. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to enable privacy settings and protect your content on TikTok. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Locate the TikTok icon and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once you're in the app, find the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. It looks like a little person. Tap on it to access your TikTok profile. Step 3. In the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see 3 stacked lines. Tap on these lines to open the TikTok menu. Step 4. Within the menu, you'll find various options. Look for the Settings and Privacy option and tap on it. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy section of your TikTok account. Step 5. Now, within the Settings and Privacy section, tap on Privacy to access your privacy settings. Step 6. Scroll down until you find the Private Account option. Tap on it to enable your private account. Congratulations! You've successfully turned your TikTok account to private. This means that only approved followers will be able to see your content and interact with your account.